This watch has, in my opinion, the best price value proposition of the market. Tissot has always been a brand that offers great value. Founded in 1853, the brand is full of historical models. Some years ago, they knocked it out of the park with the PRX models, and yet again, this watch blows any of their models out of the water. It is a captivating timepiece that pays tribute to Tissot's rich history and heritage, particularly drawing inspiration from the brand's vintage designs of the 1930s. The Tissot Heritage 1938 is characterized by its elegant and evocative design, reminiscent of classic timepieces from an era gone by. The watch features a polished stainless steel case with a diameter of 39mm, providing a striking yet sophisticated presence on the wrist. This size offers a contemporary touch while retaining the vintage allure that defines the collection. The vintage dial is the centerpiece of its charm. Its captivating salmon color, often associated with vintage watch dials, is complemented by a sunray finish, adding depth and character to the overall aesthetic. The vintage-inspired Arabic numerals and black hands evoke a sense of nostalgia, furthering enhancing the watch's classic appeal. Even though they look painted, they are actually applied, giving the dial an extra depth level. On the minute and second track, we can see a radial finishing, which just adds to the extra attention to detail and value that this watch brings to the table. The automatic movement inside the Tissot Heritage 1938 Salmon is a key feature that gives this watch the most value. It's a chronometer certified ETA 2924 movement. It is completely unimaginable to have a certified chronometer at this price point, yet the brand was able to achieve it. The COSC certification process involves subjecting the watch movement to rigorous testing in various positions and at different temperatures. The movement is tested in 5 positions to evaluate its performance in real-life wearing conditions. It is required to demonstrate exceptional accuracy to earn the COSC certification. The average daily rate of the watch movement must fall within -4 to +6 seconds per day. This stringent standard ensures that only movements of exceptional precision and consistency receive the COSC certification. And well, who would have imagined that an $825 watch was going to have this accuracy, which was all measured by me on my phone, -0.5 seconds a day. That is honestly a feat for watches 10 times its price. Easily. Complementing the vintage aesthetic, the Tissot Heritage 1938 is presented on a crisp gray leather strap, exuding a warm and inviting tone that harmonizes with the dial color. The strap's traditional appearance provides a comfortable fit while contributing to the watch's overall classic and timeless character. I really liked that the strap is soft and fine, so it molds perfectly to your wrist since the first wear. Not to mention that this watch is a strap monster. Even though the salmon dial may not seem like a color that goes with a lot of straps, believe me when I say, you will thoroughly enjoy changing straps to this baby. As I mentioned before, the retail price of this watch is $825 which to me seems like a bargain. An aesthetically beautiful watch combined with ridiculously precise COSC movement for $825 or probably even less? Count me in every day of the week. With its combination of vintage-inspired design and modern engineering, the Tissot Heritage 1938 holds a distinct appeal for enthusiasts seeking a timepiece that celebrates horological heritage while exhibiting contemporary finesse. In conclusion, the Tissot Heritage 1938 stands as a remarkable homage to Tissot's historic legacy, capturing the essence of a bygone era while offering the reliability and craftsmanship expected of a contemporary timepiece. Its artful blend of vintage design elements, a captivating salmon dial, and an automatic COSC movement makes it a compelling choice for those who appreciate the romance of traditional watchmaking. Basically, this watch is the best watch Tissot has in their catalog, even above the PRX.